Hi dear friends, today I want to tell you about benefits of crafts and live for healthy mindfulness. Studies shows that creative crafting activities can help improve mental wellness. Crafting may reduce overthinking, improve focus, and even help with feelings of loneliness. When someone creates something with love, the brain releases happy chemicals that support relaxation and comfort. And the most beautiful things, you do not need expensive materials, only imagination, a few colorful pebbles, painting colors, some glue, take some wooden board, and a peaceful moment for yourself. Every woman continued making craft every evening. Sooner a small hobby turned into wall decor, the gifts for neighbors, and you can create your online business. When every evening after a city became quiet, I want to tell you a story now. Every evening after the city became quiet, a woman named Elena walked alone beside the river. No music, no phone, no noise, only the sound of water and the tiny pebbles beneath her shoes. People thought she collected stone for decorations, but the truth was different. She collected peace. Life had not been easy for Elena. Too many sleepless nights, too many worries hidden behind fake smiles. Her mind felt crowded all the time. One day, while sitting near the river, she picked up a tiny white pebble. It was smooth, calm, simple, and somehow holding that little sum made her feel lighter. So she brought it home. Then another and another. Soon, jars filled with pebbles covered her small apartment. One cold winter night during a power outage, Elena lit a candle and set it beside the window. The room was silent. Without thinking too much, she placed few pebbles onto the old wooden frame. One looked like a bird, another looked like a mother holding a child. Slowly she glued them down or passed quietly, and something beautiful happened for the first time in a long while. Her thoughts stopped racing. Pebble crafts have a calming effect on the human mind. The slow process of selecting shapes, arranging stones, and creating natural artwork help reduce mental stress. Creative crafting encourages mindfulness. It allows the brain to focus gently on the present moment instead of fear, anxiety, or overthinking. This is why so many people find peace in handmade art, especially art made from nature. Alina continued creating